The secret to slumber. The meaning of, like counting sheep. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about finding your way to dreamland, like counting sheep. Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning, unable to drift off into sleep? Well, this phrase might just be what you need. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Stay with us to discover more about this intriguing expression. Like counting sheep is a popular English idiom that refers to a mental exercise people do to help themselves fall asleep. The idea is simple. You imagine a flock of sheep and mentally count them one by one as they jump over a fence or pass by in your mind's eye. The monotony and simplicity of the task are supposed to help clear your mind of distractions and gently lead you into sleep. It's like a lullaby for your brain, a way to quiet down the day's noise and slip into peaceful slumber. While the exact origins of this phrase are a bit hazy, it's believed to have agricultural roots. Historically, shepherds had the task of keeping track of their sheep, often counting them to ensure none were missing. This repetitive and soothing task was thought to be conducive to falling asleep, hence the connection between counting sheep and seeking slumber. Over time, it transformed into a metaphorical expression used by people far removed from pastoral life, becoming a common piece of advice for insomnia sufferers everywhere. Incorporating like counting sheep into your English conversations can add a whimsical, relatable touch, especially when discussing sleep, or the lack thereof. You might say, "I couldn't sleep at all last night, so I tried counting sheep." Or perhaps, in offering advice, if you're having trouble sleeping, why not try counting sheep? It might just do the trick. It's a phrase that connects us through a shared, human experience, struggling to find sleep in a busy world. And there you have it, the ins and outs of, like counting sheep. We hope this video has not only enlightened you but also equipped you with a new, charming way to talk about sleep in English. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries, much like the process of falling asleep. Sometimes, all you need is a simple trick to make it smoother. Thank you for watching, and may your nights be filled with peaceful, sheep-filled dreams.